Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Beats Studio Pro over-ear headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not syncing with your device, if you're having any sound issues, this can all be very often fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to re-pair them with your device because all of the pairing history will be deleted. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to set these up and pair them with a new device, we can go ahead and clear the history before we do that and get it like we're just taking them out of the box. So it's real easy to do. All we need to do on these headphones is come over to the power button and we're going to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and then release. And we should see all of the fuel gauge lights here blink white, and then one will blink red. And then it will do that 3 times, blink white, and then one light red, blink white, one light red. After 3 times, that will indicate that the earphones are reset. You can go ahead and turn them on and set them up as a new set of earphones.